What are you doing, Gizzy cat?
Gizzy.
I didn't do anything.
What are you doing, Echo?
Hello. Hello, Gizzy.
Echo, don't fall.
Hello. Hello, Gizzy. Hello, Gizzy.
What are you doing, Bug? What is she doing, Zarin? What are you doing, Echo Bug? What are you doing, Gizzy? You're to just being rogues together, aren't you? You're feeding her your things. She's eating them and begging for them.
Hello, baby man.
Look at her.
Bang, 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 bang.
Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap.
I'm never going to get my work done.
Hey, you not?
No.
Hey, Nitsa. What are you on?
Yeah, I'll keep an eye on you.
What are you on work-wise?
Go in the water.
A break.
Okay, that was a brilliant answer. I mean, how long? But a break is fantastic. That's the best answer. Naughty cat, naughty children, and Echo is just cheeky, aren't you? Are you just cheeky? And what are we watching?
Echo.
What are we watching?
Echo.
Bluey.
Echo. What's an